Ano usually ang ginagawa ng SEO, and I'll try to explain this as simple as I can. Ang gusto nila, sila lang yung bida. Number one, literal na pag tinype mo yung keywords na target nila, sila yung kauna-unahang lalabas sa Google or sa YouTube. Kung ano man yung target nila na search engine. When we talk about search engine, eto yung YouTube, Google, Yahoo, Bing, kung ano pa man. Maraming strategies na pwedeng gawin dito at pwedeng either ikaw or you will be part of a digital agency na magwo-work as SEO. Pwedeng ang role mo is keyword research or keyword strategy, keyword targeting, pwede ding mag-i-audit mo yung website nila and give recommendations. Meron pa tinatawag na on-page tsaka off-page na SEO. So, sobrang dami niya, girls. Hindi talaga siya kaya ng overnight. Merong content writing, merong, ano ba? Technical SEO. Yan, mga ganon. Meron pang link building, meron pang magtatrack ka pa ng metrics. Parang SMM pero mas complicated. So, kung ano man yung target ni client, you will help them optimize halimbawa their website para maging organically nandun sila sa top. I've been doing SEO since 2012, 13, ganyan. Pero hindi lang siya yung standalone na service yung ino-offer ko sa clients. Ginawa ko siyang part nung operation. So, naka-package deal siya. Automatic during discovery calls, minimension ko na alam ko kung paano rin mag-SEO. So, that's something na clients look forward to pagka when they work with me, is that I can help them work on their websites, on their contents organically. Don't panic. It's organic. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home and follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!